Assalamu alaikum children. Today we are going to do the exercise part of the fourth lesson. Okay children. This part, the fourth lesson is not going to come for the coming exam. 1, 2 and 3. 3 lessons are coming for the coming exam. Okay children. So this part, question answers and all, you have to write it, complete it and keep it set. Okay, this part don't study now. Till third chapter, you sit and learn for your exam. Okay, children. So, but don't think that this I will write later because this link won't be given to you later. Okay, so sit and write it now itself. Okay, so what was the name of the fourth lesson, children? Inserting features in writer. Inserting features in writer. Then write the name of the lesson in your notebook and start writing. This part we are going to do today, and we will go through the summary first, then we will do the exercise part. What was the 3 objective of this lesson, children? The 3 objective was learn to insert pictures, movies and sound. We know how to insert pictures, how to insert movies and sound to a LibreOffice writer. And you also know how to insert special characters like hyperlink, special characters like question mark, then at the rate, exclamation mark, all those symbols I showed you in the last class, right? All those special characters, and also hyperlinks. That is, if you click that hyperlink, it will go to the next page, whatever page you have linked, right? Then the next one is learn to insert page color. You know how to give color to the pages. Last class we have learned how to give color to the text, right? But now we have learned how to give color to the pages also. So that was the 3 objectives of this fourth lesson, right? Now we will see the summary of this entire lesson. So first one, you can insert pictures in 3 ways. What are the 3 ways from where you can insert pictures, children? Gallery, from file and through scanning. That was the 3 methods, or that was the 3 ways that you can insert picture to the LibreOffice writer's document. Okay. Next one, LibreOffice Writer supports to insert videos and sound clips in your computer. It will allow us to insert videos, movies, as same like what the objective was saying. Okay, next one, Fontwork is a gallery of text style. You can type text in different style. If you want to type the heading and all in a different way or the different style, we can use Fontwork. In the Microsoft version we were doing art. Okay, here it is Fontwork. Okay, next, hyperlink is a link that helps you to move quickly from one page to the another page. Yes, hyperlink is a method, or it is a link that you can move from one page to the another page. Okay, the explanation part I did in the last class, right? Now we will move on to learn with fun. Okay, just look in the textbook and start writing. Okay, children, start writing now itself. Okay, learn with fun. Fill the blanks. LibreOffice Writer itself comes with ready-made pictures known as ready-made pictures. What is it, children? Ready-made pictures. Gallery, right? Right there. Gallery. Okay. Next one is dash is a link that helps you to move quickly from one page to another page. What is the link? Which is the link we learned? Hyperlink. Hyperlink is a link that helps you to move quickly from one page to another page. Dash is a gallery of text style. Text style is Fontwork that you can add to your document. That is Fontwork. Next one. To insert fontwork text, click on dash menu, view menu. Okay, view menu. Hyperlink option is on the dash bar. Where is it, children? Hyperlink. There are many bars like status bar, title bar, standard bar, all there. Which bar this hyperlink option will come? It is in standard bar or standard toolbar. Standard toolbar. Movie and sound option is located on the dash menu. How we will insert movies and sound? It is an insert menu, that is we can only insert movies and sound. So inserting we will do in insert menu. Right there, insert menu. Page color option is on dash menu. Where is the page color option? All those page formatting, editing, then coloring, italic, everything comes under format menu. So right there, format menu. Format menu. Okay, children. Now true or false. The hyperlink may be in the form of text or image. True. T-R-U-E. LibreOffice Writer does not support inserting videos. We can insert videos. We can insert, but here they are saying does not. So it is false. To insert a picture from gallery, click on the following menu. What we have to click to insert pictures? Click on the file menu. Is right, children? No. So right there, false. Gallery icon is on standard toolbar. Gallery icon in the standard toolbar. Okay, true. You can link one document to another document using hyperlink, right? So right there, true. You can change page color. True. We can change page color. Okay, true. So true, false, false, true, true, true. Okay, now multiple choice questions. There are dash ways to insert pictures in a document. How many ways are there? 3 ways, right? Gallery, file and scan. To get link, press dash key along with click. What you have to click? Alt, Control or Shift? Control. Okay, you want to click Control key. Hyperlink icon is on the dash bar. Here also they asked it, right? Where is it? Hyperlink option? Yes, children? It will be in standard. To change page color, where you have to click from menu? Which menu? Format menu. From format menu, you want to click change the page option. Okay, to change the color of the page, you want to click format. So, here we completed the third exercise also. Now the fourth one, match the following. See, powerful and one globe and a special character is here, a design. So where it is? The powerful. See, it is written in a designed way. So it is in the gallery or special character or font work. It is font work. So write here one. Next one, this is in the gallery. Now this is special characters, right? Symbols and all will be in the special characters. Okay, so match the following also over. Now the next part is answer the following questions. First question, how can you insert pictures from the gallery? Answer number 1. To insert pictures from gallery, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on gallery icon from the standard toolbar. Step 2. The gallery window appears on the upper half of the document. Step 3. Select the theme you want from the left pane. Step 4. Select the required pictures from the right pane. Step 5. Drag and drop the pictures into the document. What do you mean by hyperlink? Answer number 2. Hyperlink is a highlighted link that helps us to move quick from one page to another page by clicking on it. The link may be in the form of text or image. Question number 3. Write the steps to insert special characters in your document. Answer number 3. Step 1. Place a cursor where you want to insert the symbol. Step 2. Click on the Insert menu and select Special Character option. Step 3. Select the symbol we require for the document. Step 4. Click on OK button. We can see the symbols inserted at the position of the cursor. Question number 4. What do you mean by font work? Answer number 4. Font work is a gallery of text styles that helps to add in LibreOffice Writer documents to create attractive effects. Question number 5. How can you change the background color of a document? Answer number 5. Step 1. Click on the Format menu and choose Page option. Step 2. The Page Style dialog box will appear. Step 3. Click on the Background tab. Step 4. Choose any color from the color palette. Step 5. Click on OK button. Question number 6. How can you insert scanned images using scanner in your document? Answer number 6. To insert scanned images using scanner, click on Insert menu and choose Scan from the Image option. Question number 7. Write the steps to insert font work in your document. Answer number 7. Step 1. Click on View menu, point to Toolbars and select Font work. Step 2. Select the style of your choice and click on OK. Now, font work appears in your selected style button. Question number 8. How can you insert movies and sound clips in your document? Answer number 8. Step 1. Click on the movie and sound option from the Step menu. Step 2. Click on the file from the desired location. Step 3. Click on Open button. Have completed the writing part. Right. Now in page number 52 of your textbook, lab practice is there. Those who have computer at home and you have Ubuntu operating system, then open it and open LibreOffice Writer and do that font work. See the create the following types of font work in LibreOffice Writer. Like this you want to create in this LibreOffice Writer. Okay, this way how you can write different names and different company name or cartoon name, whatever it is, just decorate it and write in a vertical way, horizontal way, arc type, any type you do it. Okay, and the second one is create two documents named as animals and birds and list of animals as shown in the figure 1 and figure 2. Then make a hyperlink on the word animal in the first document to the link to the list of animals in the next document. This way, that is, you want to from here to here you want to create a hyperlink. Okay, so when you are clicking the first figure 1, then it should go to figure 2 document. How we will do? I have taught you, right? Like that, create a hyperlink and show the place where you have to go. That's it. Next one, create a document containing lot of pictures was specified below. Type My Album as a heading of the document. Heading will be My Album. Insert 2 pictures using from your file. From your file or from your gallery or from scanning, you just insert 2 pictures to it. Then insert 5 pictures from gallery. Okay, from file you have to insert 2 pictures. Then from gallery you insert 5 pictures. Give an attractive background color to the page. and matching to that pictures, just give a attractive background also. Then the document should contain any two of the following pictures from the gallery, and from the gallery, that is already what all pictures are there in the gallery, then you can search any of these pictures from the gallery and insert to your document, and that is the third activity that you have to do. Okay, so by this we have completed our lesson. We will it is very easy to do it in the lab, but learning the question answer by heart is something difficult in the computer class. Okay, so all of you write it, complete it, be a good student, and also learn it. Okay children, take care of yourself, stay at home, and do include me in your prayers. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.